like to think it has to be of a cybernetic ecology where we are free of our labors and joined back to nature, returned to our mammal.
Kind of look at me and say, hey Marlon, how are you doing? So that's how it felt. I have
Eventually died from cyanide poisoning on June 7, 1954, at the age of 41.
Want perspectives on latent space from Einstein, Stein, Wittgenstein, and Frankenstein? That's quite the eclectic mix.
full of happiness. It's just an illusion. It's called shunyata, that everything is passing, empty and impermanent, like us. Thank you.